Goa is blessed with this mighty Mahadev river, which represents more than 60% of the lifeline of the people of Goa. Mahadev river has got 6 wildlife sanctuaries which are protected by the government under the acts. In fact, Molem Wildlife Sanctuary, which is part of Mahadev, is the 8th world's hotspot on biodiversity. Today we feel sad that our ecology, our environment, our precious forest are being taken away by the government of India. Today, passing of the DPR on the Mahadev basin, on the Mahadev river, is a betrayal to the people of Goa. It is in fact, I had raised this matter 4 times in the Rajya Sabha. I raised on 29th of November 2022, and I was given an assurance that Government of India will not take any action till 20th of August 2023. Now, in the meantime, passing the DPR is actually not only contempt of the Rajya Sabha, it is also betrayal to the people of Goa, and we go and strongly condemn it. I strongly condemn it, because this is not right. We want to protect our ecology, we want to protect our environment, we want to protect our forests, we want to protect our mighty rivers which are given to us by God, and it is our duty to protect it, preserve it, and hand over to the posterity.